This frees up engineers to focus on creative problem solving. With routine tasks handled by AI, engineers have more time to innovate and develop groundbreaking solutions. This shift allows for a more dynamic and forward-thinking approach to engineering challenges. AI can also help engineers avoid mistakes. By continuously monitoring and analyzing data, AI systems can detect anomalies and potential errors in real time, ensuring higher accuracy and quality in engineering projects. This reduces the risk of costly mistakes and enhances overall project reliability. It can find problems before they happen. Predictive maintenance powered by AI can foresee equipment failures and system breakdowns, allowing engineers to address issues proactively. This not only extends the lifespan of machinery, but also minimizes downtime and operational disruptions. This saves time and money. By optimizing processes and preventing issues, AI helps engineering teams to be more cost-effective. The savings in time and resources can be redirected towards further innovation and development, driving progress in the engineering field. With AI, engineers can be more efficient and productive. The integration of AI technology into engineering practices not only enhances productivity, but also fosters a culture of continuous improvement and excellence. As AI continues to evolve, its role in engineering will only become more pivotal, shaping the future of the industry. Let's look at some examples of how AI is revolutionizing various industries, starting with construction. In construction, AI can help design buildings by generating blueprints that are not only innovative, but also highly functional. It can create plans that are safe and efficient, taking into account various factors like structural integrity and environmental impact. AI can also monitor buildings for problems in real time, using sensors and advanced algorithms to detect issues before they become serious. This helps prevent accidents and keeps people safe by providing timely alerts and safety recommendations. In manufacturing, AI can help make things faster and better by optimizing production lines and reducing human error. It can control robots that assemble products with precision and speed, ensuring consistency and quality in every unit produced. AI can also check for defects to ensure high quality, using advanced imaging and machine learning to identify even the smallest flaws. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI provides insights that help improve processes and make better decisions. From logistics to quality control, AI is making industries smarter and more efficient, paving the way for a future where technology and human ingenuity work hand in hand. Section 4. The future is AI-powered. AI is transforming the engineering field. It's making engineers more efficient, accurate, and innovative. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more exciting developments in the future. By embracing AI, engineers can unlock new possibilities and shape the world of tomorrow. Section 5. Ready, Set, AI. Don't be afraid to explore AI tools and resources. There are many ways to learn about AI and how to use it in engineering. Embracing AI will enhance your skills and open up new opportunities. Start exploring the world of AI today and discover how it can make you a better engineer.